Welcome to the SPARC Portal walkthrough. To access the SPARC Portal, open any web browser and type in sparc.science and press enter. On the home page of the SPARC Portal, click on Find Data tab. You will observe the new and improved look featuring more descriptive metadata and easier and prominent access to different categories. The search box underneath lets you search within a specific category. Now the datasets can be displayed based on their status by selecting public or embargoed datasets. The SPARC datasets are subject to 1-year embargo, during which time the datasets are visible only to members of the SPARC consortium. During the embargo period, the users are provided with a brief overview of the upcoming dataset along with their release date. These datasets will be made available once they have finished undergoing data curation. Next, clicking on the dataset of your interest provides you with an option to cite dataset. This new section provides information like the full publication date along with copy citation button to cite this dataset. Now let's talk about the maps. The maps visualization interface now has an enhanced functionality, that is the sidebar. On the species flat map, click on the marker of the region of interest, opens a sidebar that displays all the datasets associated to it. Choosing the dataset of your interest either lets you view the dataset details in a new tab or to view the scaffold. This viewer now even supports permalink, enabling users to easily share and save specific views on the SPARC portal. Under the News and Events tab, Community Spotlight section has been added that highlights SPARC Science achievements and breakthroughs. Also, users can now submit the event items to be displayed on the portal. A policies section has been added to the SPARC portal footer so that the users can easily find them all in one place. You can provide us your valuable feedback via the Contact Us option available at the top right or through the Site Feedback option present at the bottom of the home page. Thank you for watching. You can keep up to date with the latest news about SPARC by following our Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube accounts. See the video description for account details.